Alright, I just got my EMP shield micro installed under the hood here of my Ford Edge, and the battery placement here made it hard to get to the negative terminal. Oh my goodness. So I had to do some improvisation. Let's see. So of course I got this tied in positive with positive, but that was after putting the negative first because it's way back there, and then the ground, the separate chassis ground, the green wire lead to here because there's a special chassis ground right up here. But they said to roll up the wires, spool them up, do not shorten them. They'll affect the effectiveness of the discharge through shunting the over voltage pulse to ground to the chassis. I know they're all connected. Everybody says they're connected, and you know, what's the difference? And it's like, well, they're using a third wire to be able to shunt it to the standard chassis, which you have dissipation through chassis a lot better than you do negative on your battery. You got other negative wiring, positive and negative, paired, that really come off the fuse box, which you got negative and positive coming to, you know, your fuse box for all your different accessories that has to sense and pull that over voltage pulse, you know, away from all those things to a separate item through at least 4 feet of 12 gauge wire, and to chassis, which, you know, like when lightning strikes your car, a lot of times it grounds out going down to the ground through your tire. So that's how they did it. There you go. We'll put the micro in here. I really advise getting a micro for most of these new cars. There's just not much room to put that other standard EMP shield module for vehicles in here unless you have a pickup truck or something. So there we go.